Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for an affordable camera that's simple to use and perfect for everyday photography, the Kodak Pixpro FZ45 is a great choice. It's compact, lightweight, and ideal for travel, family events, vacations, and beginners who want better photos than a smartphone in certain situations. The camera features a 16-megapixel sensor that captures clear, detailed images, along with a 4x optical zoom that lets you get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. The 27mm wide-angle lens is perfect for landscapes, group photos, and travel shots. You can also record 1080p Full HD videos, making it easy to capture memorable moments with smooth video quality. On the back, the 2.7-inch LCD screen allows you to frame your shots and review photos with ease. One feature many users appreciate is that it runs on AA batteries, so you can quickly replace them almost anywhere instead of waiting for a rechargeable battery to charge, great for travel and emergencies. The only downside is that it's designed for casual photography, so it doesn't offer advanced manual controls or professional-level image quality. Overall, if you want an affordable, easy-to-use point-and-shoot camera for everyday memories, vacations, and family photos, the Kodak Pixpro FZ45 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.